welcome back to my channel, and this is a quick little kit up for Disney Paint Along with Friends. I decided I'm going to keep it really simple, so hopefully it still counts because it's technically a Disney canvas. It's a partial that I've had in my collection for quite some time now, and I've always wanted to do it, but I've just put it off and put it off and put it off. So, and then I got interested in other things and I never did it. So it's the Cheshire Cat. Sorry if there's a glare. So it is a let's see. Okay, maybe we don't need flash. Okay, so it is a Crystal and Specials. There are 10 colors in here. Hopefully this won't take me too long. I mean, considering that's a partial, a lot. I mean, the entire canvas is covered. Let me put the flash back on. I'm sorry. Yeah, I mean, there are just little gaps that aren't with the poured glue, and like his eyes and like his mouth and teeth don't have anything, but for the most part, I mean, for a 30 by 30, it's pretty covered. So it's almost like doing a full canvas. So starting from 10, we're going to do this backwards. We have these little shitty slithers or slivers, whatever people call them. These little itty bitty teardrops. These are my least favorite when doing crystal partials. They take so long to do. I hope they're just not everywhere. Then we have some green, like medium-sized diamonds. We have some red teardrops, some orange AB teardrops, some larger ones, some golden yellow rhinestones. Of course, we have our black. Then we have like an aqua teal color rhinestone, sapphire blue. We have like an ocean blue. And maybe this is like a cornflower or sky blue. A lot of blues. I mean, there's a lot of blues in this canvas. So we're gonna kit this up. Oh, here. Why shouldn't you have to look at them? I didn't kit down one of my my containers that has 60 cylinders in it. I just threw out 1 through 10 drills. To make life a little bit easier. We're gonna whip out the cinnamon roll scissors to cut these. Hopefully I don't have a problem. I've never had to load specials and rhinestones into these containers yet, so hopefully this isn't a painful process. Let's double check. This is one. Do I have the right canvas? DS013. Yes. That would be tragic. So I haven't done anything crystal since the Crystal Mermaid that I gave up on all hope of. By the way, some updated information. I have currently ordered that Crystal Mermaid. I got the original picture. And also the Arctic Fox lady with the blue and white hair, that was also crystal, that I've been holding off on, that I really don't want to do in crystal. I ordered them both in customs in regular drills, so thank God, because I don't want them in crystal. So I just ordered the mermaid last night off of AliExpress custom. It's actually the same custom company that Diamond Painting Bewitched Cat got my custom ferret and black lady paintings from. So since they look so good, I'm gonna get the mermaid done through them, and hopefully the mermaid turns out nice through them too. Hoping and praying. So yeah, and then the Arctic Fox lady, I actually ordered her as a custom through Diamond Painting Fanatics, which is a little bit more of a premium company. I think it was like close to 20 bucks to get it customized. It's just so much money. So that particular canvas, since I've paid so much money for it, I mean, people say $20 isn't that much. $20 is $20 to me. That's a lot. I have high expectations for the look of what that canvas is going to look like when it arrives on my doorstep. Hopefully, I'm not going to be disappointed. I've seen some of the canvases with that shop, and she has some really beautiful, her name is Cindy. She's got some really beautiful canvases on her website. I even ordered, my fiance gave me the money to order, like as a gift from him, a canvas from her. So we're going to try, I think it's a Jasmine Beckett. I don't necessarily like the Jasmine, I think I have her name right, the Jasmine Beckett paintings. It's the girls I don't like in those paintings. The big-eyed, like almond-shaped girls with the huge heads. That looks okay on some paintings. I don't like those particular drawings. So then you ask yourself, well, you're going to ask me, then why did you get a painting? Why? Because it had 3 ferrets in it. I only wanted the painting because it's Diamond Paintings of ferrets. I really wanted the ferrets look so realistic. They really look like my pets. So I'm not really getting the painting because the cute girl, like everybody else, loves those girls. I don't like them. I don't think they're that cute. I don't think they're that nice looking. That's just my own opinion. But the animals all her animals look really cute in her pictures. So she did the ferrets really, really well. I got the canvas, I think, for like 28 bucks, which isn't too bad. But for some strange reason, now get this one. They had a secondary Jasmine Beckett painting with a girl and a ferret with 1 ferret. And that painting was 40 bucks. What's the difference? One has 3 ferrets and one has 1 ferret. And both have those big-eyed girls in it. Like, why is one $40 and then the other one isn't? It's half the price. And no, the other one wasn't on clearance or anything. So I never ordered her. So here's the part that most people are going to hate hearing, but I can personally couldn't care less. I know some people are super passionate about this topic. I am passionate about it in my own way as far as disagreeing with people. That $40 canvas, how am I going to do this? Okay. That $40 canvas I found for like 8 bucks on AliExpress in a 30 by 40, a size that I actually want, not a 40 by 60 like what her site is ordering. So yeah, I'm sorry. I know what that means. We all know what that means. I don't have to say it out loud. What it means that I just bought, you know, licensed artwork off AliExpress, because chances it's not licensed on AliExpress. But I really wanted the painting, and I really didn't want to pay $40 for it. I'm sorry. I know that breaks some of your hearts, but this is my money. And I don't want to spend $40 on that canvas. I don't think it's worth $40. So I went the cheaper route. Maybe it won't even look that good. Maybe it will look good. So far, I haven't had a problem with any of my AliExpress canvases. They all came out looking beautiful. So, but yeah. And I had ordered a bunch of other ferret ones with big-eyed girls. They had a bunch. I think I ordered like 4 or 5 canvases from AliExpress. So we will see them when they come in. We will look at them when they come in. But just don't judge me, you know. I have to go the budget-friendly option. I don't make six figures, okay? I don't have this spectacular full-time job and I'm making the big bucks. No, honey. I work at a bakery in a grocery store. Okay, I can barely afford to pay bills half the time. So, no, I can't afford just a $40 canvas on a whim just because it's licensed. I'm sorry. I know. People hate that, but I'm going to do what I want to do on my channel. So that was quick. That was a quick little kit up. Probably a slight rant in between. Sorry about that. I may or may not start this today. I don't know. I really want to crochet. I have the crochet bug. I just want to work on my blankets. So, the one that's a gift, I have to actually start. And the one that I showed you guys the other night, you know, it's a little square. It's getting somewhere. It's a longer process because it's more intricate. So I want to kind of work on both. That's what I'm interested in right now. I don't want to sit at this desk and work on diamonds. I'm just not into this right now. So, tomorrow's my day off. So if I don't work on this today and do a progress tonight, then at some point tomorrow I will sit down at this desk and I mean, I could break this down. Here, let's prep it. We didn't say our goodbyes yet. Let's prep the canvas. I don't know if we can prep this canvas because there's not glue all over it. I don't know if release papers are going to stick to it like it would a regular canvas. I don't know. I've never tried. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it while I have you guys here, so we don't have such a short video. Is there glue? And there's no overhang of glue. Oh, yay. So I'm not going to washi tape it because there's no need. There's no overhang of glue. I'll washi tape it before I hang it up. Let's see if this even sticks. Well, there's nothing in the corner, so I hope I don't ruin this canvas by doing this. Okay. I never know with these cheap Temu release papers which side is which. They're both smooth. Okay. So here we go. We got some release paper in there. So I can throw out this plastic. I really don't like using the plastic anymore. So hopefully this goes by quick and I'm not doing this the entire month. Hopefully I don't drag it out. So if not today, definitely tomorrow I will start it and get some work done. I may get most of it done tomorrow. It might be a one-day shot deal, you know. I mean, it's just a partial, for crying out loud. But somehow I feel like I'm going to make this more painful than it has to be. I love these scissors. I want all of them. I want all the characters. Why does somebody need all those scissors? I technically don't, but I just want them because of the cover. I don't really want the scissors. I just want the covers. But the covers go with the scissors, so there's my plate. Okay, guys, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to go work on my blankets so I can put up a progress video. Ooh, excuse me. Tonight, show you guys what I've been working on. I hope you enjoyed this little kit up, this little rant, and this little prep our canvas video. If you haven't subscribed, if you're new, I'll be doing Disney Paint Along and other events coming up the next couple months. Consider subscribing. It's free. You could see all my event stuff that I'm going to be doing the next couple months. You can also find my handle and stuff on the host's YouTube channel. She will be linking my channel, so she's linking everybody's channel so you can see everybody that's participating, which is a really great idea. So I'm really excited to see what everybody's gonna do this month. So we'll see what happens. So I hope you guys have a nice day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.